Hello, my name is Doug Winkleman. I live in a small community called Sherwood Park, Alberta, in Canada. It's located just outside of Edmonton. Of course, we've all heard about the Edmonton Oilers, Edmonton, West Edmonton Mall. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about VantagePoint, a program that I have come across and use in my trading daily. And I have found this program phenomenal. The customer service, the quality that they put out is priceless. It is the most inexpensive way that I have found to conduct my tradings on a daily basis within the foreign exchange market, saving me a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of frustration, and it's just great. So I'll tell you a little bit about it. Now, VantagePoint is a system that will forecast your trades in advance of what and where the marketplace should go. They trade in the foreign exchange market, they trade in stocks, they trade in options, they trade in precious metals. You can utilize this for numerous things. Now myself, I only trade in the foreign exchange market, but I use it daily. I use it to set up my trades by setting my stop losses and my take profits by what they forecast. Now, going away from that, their customer service and their assistants and their staff are so friendly, so helpful. They've been there all the time for me. They help me set up the program. They call constantly to check to see how I'm doing, if I have any questions, if I have any concerns. I have never been involved in an organization or utilized a company such as VantagePoint. Now, I've taken a lot of training. I've spent a lot of money on learning the foreign exchange market. I've tried to utilize my own trades. You know, they work for a while. You can forecast some things. But again, like I said, there's so many things to look at in the marketplace that takes into effect the trades and the route that they will go, such as news, other trading pairs, stocks, bonds, options, different things that affect every single pair that trade. I don't have the time in my life to sit down and to look all that up. I work full-time as a police officer with the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. So therefore, I work shift work. We have 2 small children, my wife and I, so my time is very precious to me. I want to be able to spend the time that I have home when I'm not working shift work and utilize that for quality time with my family. So by being able to sit down, download the daily forecasts, view them, look at my options with them, and being able to set up my trades, whether it's a purchase or a sell, or a buy or a sell, set my stop losses, take profits, walk away and know that I've been sitting since I joined VantagePoint last fall of 2009, at approximately 90% success rate. Yes, granted, you can't be 100% successful in forecasting what's going to happen in the marketplace. That would not be possible. By looking at that, 90% is pretty good. I think it's phenomenal. Because before I started with VantagePoint, I was probably sitting at 30%, maybe 40%. The frustration, the anxiety was, I couldn't even fathom trying to explain it. When VantagePoint was introduced to me, I was skeptical. I've spent lots of money, as I've said, well over $10,000 trying to learn the system of Forex by buying robots, taking courses, having coaches, etc. So I was skeptical. Should I spend any more money? Well, I can tell you this, folks. It has not been a mistake on my part. It has been the best program that I could possibly have used, and I will continue to use. The success rate with it is priceless. Where else can you sit down, look at what's being forecasted, be able to go in and set up your trades, and then walk away, and then know that you're going to have a 90% success rate, if not higher, every time you use it? I've got to tell you, most days it's 100% success. When I set up my trades, I come back the next day and I check them. I'm a short-term day trader. The trades are there and they've come through successful. Again, you will not be sorry with VantagePoint. Thank you.